for social media, tablets. Nowadays parents becoming very weak, very I don't know, very neglectful. I can say so. Not know how to educate their children. Although many parents are professors, professors in the university, they just don't care about their grandchildren maybe or children. Also, some of them are very smart. Also, some of them are religiously smart and also academically smart. But just becoming have weaknesses for their children. For example, like I said before, when the children crying, rolling on the floor, just
Rolling on the floor.
just give
Rolling on the
tablet, and
floor.
the children will stop
Rolling on the
crying.
floor.
Beli mana na? Lantai. Beli.
And also nowadays this disadvantages of social media. For example, what is the